maybe not malfunction, it may be deviation, not abnormal condition, it is a deviation. So
It is
this
not
valid.
malfunction. It is a malfunction. It is like interlocked for me. Okay.
Yes, yes.
To
So let
open
us
the
put
mail.
it. Let us say it is a valid. So we'll go for that because this is required. Because operator will not never come to know that whether there is a
Yeah,
right, but please remove the abnormal condition, right? It's
No.
there.
I'm not saying abnormal condition.
No,
See,
no,
see,
it
I
is
cannot put
shown as
everything here.
yes. That's what we're saying. It is shown as yes in your worksheet. So let's say
Yeah.
no there.
No. Here, does
Add
it
a remark.
indicate?
You can add a remark.
Yeah. I will put a remark here.
Hey, abnormal operation, just put no, because it's not abnormal.
It is. There is no category.
That's what I'm saying. There's no category.
Okay,
for
that is
this.
that you are mentioning this remark that this is a startup interlock like this.
No.
Don't worry, you also have been train 6 chairman. So at least you have a reference now for this one.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So coming here. So this is okay. Going for likely cause. If alarm doesn't come, what is the cause of alarm? Startup scenario, right?
No, DP is not achieved.
that-
Then it will be all
No, the cause of alarm.
Startup sequence.
startup
Delay
sequences.
start, yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Delay in startup.
No. Guys, please do not jump. I'm saying about this one, this column. What is the cause of alarm? This is a startup situation, right? Because of startup, there is alarm.
Yes, startup.
Yeah.
Startup sequence.
Startup.
The next startup sequence.
Yeah, okay, but
Now,
really,
consequence, a delayed startup.
It will be activated only during black startup.
And it is also HSC concept, right? Consequence of this alarm is only delayed startup or this is HSC concern.
that will be the delayed of startup. I mean, as soon as that alarm is still on, you cannot.
You cannot open and subsequently
We'll say delayed startup. We'll say delayed
Yeah,
startup.
delayed startup.
Delayed startup, loss of production, right? Loss. I mean, operator has to investigate.
Because I'm not close to production. I'm just defer the production.
Scenario and
And you can deal as a loss of production.
we start. Okay, operator, what is the operator response time? This is the 30 minutes we can do. No problem, right? Yeah, I mean,
Yes.
because it's not a HSC concern, this is a delayed startup, we have time for 30 minutes.
Yeah, it is only more than 30 minutes.
Yeah. So alarm is a process alarm. Yes, it's a